everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you guys new to this channel, then don't forget the drill, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get into the video. I for the first time shopped from the Amazon beauty section, and I have some mixed reviews about it. I pretty much loved what I got, and this was all needed, so I didn't shop like ऐसे ही बिल्कुल भी, बट मैंने बहुत थॉट लगा के ये सब सामान खरीदा है बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड दीज एंड आई वाज रनिंग आउट ऑफ सम ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. So they have a wide variety of makeup, skincare and also jewelry on Amazon that you can check them out, and they have some amazing quality. Now that Shein is not here, you can definitely go to Amazon for affordable and cheap jewelries, makeup, skincare, whatsoever. So let's get into the video and dive in the unboxing of these beauty items that I'll show you. And also I have used some of them on my face right now. I think it looks great. So guys, the first product that I got from the Amazon beauty section was Swiss Beauty. As you know, Swiss Beauty Cosmetics is becoming really popular as they have affordable makeup and the quality is amazing. Can you imagine? Since I started using Swiss Beauty concealer, I have stopped using any foundation on my face. Just one concealer is enough to cover my whole face and it looks so natural. It's really creamy and nice. So this time I went for their Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. I have seen a lot of bloggers use this and I was pretty much sure that I want to try this one out. So I got in the shade Natural Tint. The shade is mentioned here. So it comes in 3 different shades. One is in rose tint, one is in golden tint, and this one is natural tint. Because I have warm undertone, so I went for the natural one. It comes in this glass bottle. Really nice packaging for the price point. It comes for 240 rupees and this is like 30 ml of product. It comes in a glass packaging, so you need to be a little bit careful. But the best part is this primer comes with a pump and it's a highlighting primer. I'm currently wearing it. It acts like a moisturizer and primer at the same time. It says it brightens your skin tone, modifies pores, minimizes and moisturizes your skin. So actually pretty good. I'm impressed with the packaging whatsoever. I'll show you how the texture is. So at first when I tried it today, I found it a little thick for my skin, but as soon as you start blending it, it blends beautifully. Right now you must be wondering, it looks really white, right? But as soon as I blend it into the skin, can you see? There is no white cast whatsoever, but look at the shine. Look at the shine on my hand. Can you see the difference between the two? It gives such a highlighting feel, and the base of your makeup, the concealer and foundation sits really well on this. So all the links are mentioned in the description box below, so you can buy anything from the links mentioned and you can find all my haul unboxing in that. So moving forward, I got this Wet n Wild contouring palette. I really wanted this one, but I wasn't sure if I want to get it from Amazon, if it's original, it's fake, but I got it from an authorized seller, and this is how the outer packaging looks and this is how it looks from the back. The palette is quite big for the price. It retails for around 500 rupees. I have the shade number E7491 Dulce de Leche, and it is also available in caramel toffee for people who have dark skin, like more dusky skin than me. And it comes with a highlighter and a contour. Really creamy. Can you see? Really creamy, comes on the hand really easy, and this is the highlighting and this is the contour. It's not too dark for me. The pigmentation is quite good, but I wanted a little more dark. I thought I only ordered the wrong shade. It is actually really soft and nice and feels really natural actually. So the next thing that I wanted to show you guys is this the Face Shop Water Lip and Cheek Tint. It is Water Fit Tint X EX, and this retails for 474 rupees. It comes in a glass bottle, really cute, and it has 5 grams of product. The best part about this product, it looks very creamy from the outside, but as soon as you get the applicator out, the applicator is so pretty and nice and precise, and the color payoff of this one is great. I'll just show you. इतना सा लिया है मैंने हाथ पे, and just look at the pigmentation. It, you know, it feels so nice and watery, and you can blend it or build it according to your needs, and it looks really natural on the skin. And even on the Swiss Beauty highlighter, it is like great. So just 2 drops I think is enough for my face, and I'll just show you how it looks. Can you see how natural it looks, the difference between the 2 cheeks? And it's really travel friendly, so you can use it for lips, for cheeks, for eyeshadow, to give it like that rosy effect. The other product that I got is from the skincare category, and I was keen to try out the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I already use their daily hydrating moisturizer. It's great. Actually, I'm wearing it right now. It's great. It's super hydrating, and the best part is this is dermatology tested brand. Cetaphil is amazing. If you have oily skin, go for it. And this one is for face and body. The best thing about this product is it's hypoallergenic, so it won't clog your pores, and it's great for oily skin type. It is so free, non-irritating, and it comes in 250 ml of product. This product retails for 515 rupees. I think for the price point it's really great because it also helps to maintain the pH level of your skin. I love Cetaphil products, so get your hands on this one. All the links are in the description box below. The next product that I got is this very intriguing new fashion trend. I don't know what is it, but it reminds me of my childhood for sure. This is the Rene 5 Fab 5 lipstick stick, like a stick. It has 5-in-1 lipstick, and this is how the packaging looks. I think all of you must have remembered that eraser that we used to use in childhood. Usko open karte the, then नीचे से change कर देते थे, और it's the same thing. It has 5 different shades, very pretty shades, and I am actually currently wearing it. It is really precise to, you know, apply because of the crayon. It is matte, so travel friendly. Then if you want to change the shade, you just need to put the other shade at the end. And this retails for 569 rupees. I think it's worth the money because it's travel friendly और आपको ज़्यादा lipstick carry करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. बस ये apply किया and you're good to go. I'll just show you how the shades look. These are the 5 colors that I'm talking about. As you can see, all the 5 colors are different from each other, and this is like so playful, so nice. It looks like crayon, and definitely get your hands on this. So yeah, moving forward to the second last part, makeup. I'm just, you know, wrapping up the makeup part so that I can move on to the jewelry part. So this is the Lakme Insta eyeliner I'm currently wearing on my eyes right now, and this retails for 250 rupees. The pigmentation is good if you want to switch from the Lakme Insta liner, as it's cheap. I think this one is great. It comes in a pen form, like it has a very thin applicator. So if you are someone who wears very thin eyeliner, then you can, you know, definitely get this one. It's jet black. The pigmentation is good. The only thing is it does not last you a very long time. It's not waterproof. So, but that's apart, the pigmentation is amazing. So moving forward to my favorite part, I got some of the jewelry this time from Amazon, and I wanted to try out layered chain because it's so in fashion. So I got 3 of them, and all of these retail under 300 rupees. Price is different for you know, different. As soon as you go in with layers, the price starts increasing, but बहुत ही cheap है. Everything is under 300, and it comes in outer packaging like that, and फिर अंदर से it's something like this. So as you can see, it's very delicate, very nice, and I think it looks so pretty with tops with deep neck. So guys, can you see it? You know, it gives definition to your neck as soon as you wear it, and it looks super nice, chic. And with the earrings also, it does not feel any heavy. And मैंने अभी तक पानी में तो टेस्ट नहीं किया, but I don't think it will get rusty very soon. And you need to take care of your jewelry, right? Anyways, this one retails for 300 rupees. This one is my personal favorite of all of three. I'll show two more of you, but I think it's great. It has a very unique design. It has like a moon, and then it also has one world map made on it. And this is how it looks. So it has 3 layers, and this one is quite cheap than that one. It is for 219 rupees. I have mentioned all the price on the screen as well, and the quality is amazing. Jewelry, I think I'll get more of these. If you want to see a jewelry haul of whatever I have, then do let me know in the comment section below. This is how it looks. You know, this thing is so pretty, like so damn pretty. And it has like 3 chains, so you can pair it up with different type of outfit to make it look really nice. Abhi to maine niche karke pehna hai, but you can also wear it like this. It will look more pretty and nice. So this one was for 219 rupees. So guys, last but not the least, I also got a 4-layer chain just to check out the quality, and this was for 249 rupees. And this is how the design looks. I'll just quickly show you guys. So this is how the design look. It has charms over here, then we have stars and the world map again. This one is a bit heavy, to be honest, and to pair this thing up is quite a challenge, because you need to wear very simple clothes. It takes away all, you know, attention from the clothes to your neck. So कुछ भी ऐसा डालने से पहले you need to wear very basic clothes. So it goes with tank top and everything, but I would rate this one a 5 on 10. 4 layer I think ज़्यादा हो जाती है, because see, this one is not even visible. So what's the point, right? तो ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, but definitely ये Shining Diva company से है, and they had like 10 to 15 different designs, so you can get the other one which has less layers. But nonetheless, the quality is good and it feels really high quality, like H&M jewelry. So yeah, I would suggest you get this one. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and all the links are mentioned in the description box below, so do check them out. And until next time, bye.